Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, it's Ipsy time. So, if you are, I guess, unaware about Ipsy, never heard about Ipsy, then hey, welcome to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button. This is one of many subscriptions I will be showing on my channel. So, please stick around. Hit the subscribe button. If everybody can please smash the like button, that will hopefully put me in the, YouTube spectrum somewhere in the algorithm, and people will start watching my videos. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate it. But anyway, so Ipsy is a monthly subscription. They do have 3 different versions, and you can sign up for all 3 at one time. Trust me, because I have. So anyways, this is a small one, okay, which has been a tried and true great one. So if you're just wanting to start out and see what subscriptions are all about, or maybe you're just wanting to kind of up your makeup a little bit, or you're dibbling and dabbling in makeup, or even learning makeup, or you have like a daughter, a niece, granddaughter, somebody who wants to get into makeup and they kind of want to learn different brands and want to start playing, Ipsy is a great subscription to start with, and I recommend this size. Okay, so this one is $12 a month. You do not pay shipping, okay? I will get into it, and I will show you what comes in here. The second size up, I will leave a link in the description below that will give you the option to sign up for all 3, which is why I'm going to tell you about all 3. So this one is $12. The medium size is $25, and the big size is $50. Okay, so the big size, obviously you're going to get bigger products, more products. The medium size is going to be in the middle of this, and the bigger size. And anyways, you're in luck if you're interested in Ipsy and want to see what the differences are, because after this size, I'm going to be unboxing the medium and then the large, all in different videos. So if you're interested, please stick around, check it out, and you'll get an idea of what Ipsy looks like on a monthly basis, depending by the size. And again, you can sign up for all 3 if you want, or 2, or just 1. So this is the really cute one. This is the $12 one, okay? Let me get into here. Now, they will always come with a bag no matter which size you get. I believe the small and the, well, it doesn't matter. You'll get to see on the new unboxings. But this is the size you'll get with the small bag. So it's a cute makeup case. This is what this one looks like. There's always going to be a different bag every single month. So it could be cheetah print. It could be see-through. It could be pink. It could be anything. Black. They've done all different ones. And they're always cute. And so it says Ipsy on the zipper. So I'm going to open it up. Let me see if anything else is on here. Yes, there is. Sheet mask or face mask. Yeah, they are sheet masks. Okay. So I love getting sheet masks. I did a video recently showing you my mask collection, and I have a ton. So I love adding to it and being able to try new masks. So these are going in there. Excuse me. So this is the first thing we got. It is Refreshing Peppermint Skin Clarifying Sheet Mask by Glam Up. I'm excited. I love peppermint too. I tell you guys that all the time. And this is the second one. It is Firming Pomegranate Strengthened Skin Barrier. And this is also by Glam Up. So I got 2 sheet masks this time. Again, $12 subscription. Now, when I opened up the bag, there was a card in there, okay? It says, Shine On, Sparkle, Shimmer, and Shine. This month, let's clink glasses to a year full of diving in, bearing all, and finding your light. It's time to celebrate how far you've come. And it says, hashtag discover yourself. So it says, ring in the new. What a year. We dreamed big and brought you more choice, more personalization, more memberships. Hello, Glam Bag Plus and Ultimate. And more of what you want with add-ons. Now we're looking ahead to a new year with a resolution for bigger, brighter experiences. Here's a January sneak peek. It says top tier brands and products that you'll obsess over, new opportunities to connect with like-minded beauty enthusiasts, enhanced personalization, and ways to make your bag more you. The best is yet to come. Lock it in all year with an annual plan and get your 12th bag free at Ipsy. So anyway, so that's what that card says. Also, when I open it up, it is going to tell me what products are in here. And says, "'Tis the season to treat yourself, and your 5 glam bag products are here just for you." Well, cheers to that. All right, so the first thing was the Glam Up Firming Pomegranate Refreshing Peppermint Sheet Mask Set. All right, how cute is this? This primer, you guys, okay, so this is by the Professional. This is Pore Primer, Soothing Face Primer to minimize the look of pores. This stuff is very expensive. So this is actually like a really cute sample pack. I'm actually going to give it to somebody for Christmas as a stocking stuffer. But how freaking cute. You see the little bottle in here? So last year I had bought one of these for somebody, and it was like a Christmas ornament, a small one. Anyway, she fell in love with it. Again, it's very expensive stuff. So I was excited that I got this in my Ipsy for December. It was perfect timing. So here we go in December. I'm able to re-gift them again a small size, which is how I got them started to begin with. So that's a really cute size. All right. So it says, Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Face Primer. During party season, a good primer like this oil-free one from Benefit, known for innovative and fun makeup, is key to a fresh, long-lasting look. It minimizes the appearance of pores, smooths out fine lines, and leaves your skin with a matte finish, making it the perfect step before makeup application. Yeah, and the person that I give it to is my daughter, the oldest. She actually has like a oilier skin, and that works really well for her. So that's just a tip if you're somebody out there who does have oily skin concerns. This one tends to work really well. Obviously, they have bigger sizes than this. But if you're interested in it, I will go to like Ulta or one of those and try like a smaller size. Maybe see if they have any samples and try it out first. Okay. So we got Tarte. So again, this bag is the smaller, so you'll get smaller size items. But great brands. So Tarte, it says High Performance Naturals Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. And the shade is Party Dress. So let me open this up. How cute, how cute is that? My little Tarte blush. And then open it. This is what it looks like, which is a very pretty shade. I feel like that would go with any skin tone. And it doesn't take much blush to do a look, so something like this would actually last for a very good while. All right. This next item. Okay, so this is by H2O Beauty. Oasis Hydrating Treatment Water Gel Moisturizer, clinically proven to double skin hydration and moisturize for 24 hours. So we got a moisturizer in there. And then the last item that came in here is, this is what it looks like. I think this says Jolie. Let me read the card. Yeah, Jolie Cosmetics Luxe Cream Matte and Lavender. Instead of lavender, it's lavender. It just must be, this may just be the perfect liquid lip color for creating a party-ready beauty look in a pinch. The ultra creamy liquid keeps your lips healthy thanks to moisturizing shea butter and jojoba or jojoba oil, however you say that. Plus, the velvety violet color is surprisingly versatile, super smooth, and long-lasting. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. And, ooh, that is pretty. I like that for my shirt. That's a really pretty color. So again, if you're thinking about getting into Ipsy or even finding a subscription for like somebody starting out with makeup or something like that, or even skincare, because when you sign up for Ipsy, you'll take like a profile quiz and it actually asks you questions like, are you looking for hair care, skincare, nail care, makeup? Are you comfortable with makeup? So like in one of my daughter's cases, she does not like makeup at all. So if she were to sign up for Ipsy, she would tell them like, I want skincare, hair care, nail care, and then they would customize the bag for her. So nobody's bag is the same, and that's what I like about Ipsy. Obviously me, I like skincare, I like makeup, things like that. So my bag will be geared mostly towards things that I like. They also ask you how comfortable you are with makeup. And since they ask that, I think they tend to gear the products towards like if it's a beginner or not a beginner. Anyway, I just really appreciate it. It's been a great subscription so far. So anyways, if you are interested in signing up, once again, it will be linked in the description box below. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please ask that you smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, please stay tuned for the next video. And don't forget, you can't spell Reginald without Gina. Love you. See you in the next one.